was a car on the right side. I started going around past him and I was hit from the right side. After the accident, I just opened the Nexar dash cam app and I watched the video, and it clearly shows that I was going in a straight line. She came into my lane. My name is Randy Gill. I live in Las Vegas, Nevada. If I didn't have that Nexar dash cam, it would have been my word against theirs. All three of them told their insurance that I hit them. The only person I had was a Nexar dash cam. It protected me. The number one feature is every time I go in the car, I'll push the button and the Nexar dash cam starts recording immediately. It can sense if you're suddenly braking or if you have an incident, and it'll upload that to the Nexar cloud storage. The app is wonderful. They must have thought of everything. They must have thought, let's make this as simple as possible for everybody. After I got the first one, I realized this is a great thing to have. So I got my wife one, I installed it. Then I got my eldest son when he got a car. I actually have another one on order for my daughter's car. Everybody should have one because you never know when someone's gonna just come out of nowhere, and having that extra set of eyes is a wonderful thing. It gives me peace of mind.